She pull up, hop out, then she swerve. Do your two-step, your little catwalk, make it work. Make it work, Jill dance, make it work, strike a pose. Make it work, Jill dance, make it work, strike a pose.
I pull up, hop out, then I swerve. Do my two-step, my little catwalk, make it work. Make it work, Jill dance, make it work, strike a pose. Make it work, Jill dance, make it work, strike a pose.
Do your dance, girl, dance, do your dance, girl, dance. Is it me and you, or is you with your friends, girl?
Hey guys, how are ya? And welcome back to Miss Jan's Shorty Recipes. Thanks again, you guys, for joining me for yet another quick and easy recipe. This recipe is a one-pot recipe, great for a weeknight meal or a family-style Sunday dinner, perhaps. We're going to go ahead and make some chicken Florentine pasta. So these are the ingredients that we'll be using today for this tasty chicken Florentine pasta that does include chicken, pasta, cheese, veggies, and a lot of good seasonings and spices that will make this all come together. So hopefully you guys are ready for today's recipe. If so, please go ahead and leave me a thumbs up. Also, drop me a comment down below. Share this video out. Appreciate that. And if you're not subscribed, go ahead and click that subscribe button and that bell so you can be notified every time I drop a new video. So let's go ahead and get started. Alright guys, so here is the chicken Florentine pasta. This is a flavorful one pan meal that is ready for you guys to make. All of the wonderful flavors from the chicken, the spinach. The chicken with the spinach and the cream sauce adds a nice rich taste to the pasta. A wonderful little corkscrew pastas that tends to hold that sauce very well. So everything comes together guys in one nice little bite. Definitely ready for you to try. Hopefully you guys did enjoy today's recipe. If so, please go ahead and leave me a thumbs up. Also, drop me a comment down below. Let me know if you tried any style of chicken Florentine before. Share this video out. Definitely appreciate that, guys. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please go ahead, hit that subscribe button and that bell so you can be notified every time I drop a new video. You guys take care and thanks for watching. Bye, guys.
The first time I saw ya, knew you were the one. Walking by so beautiful, girl. You moved like a song. I can't explain it. Your melody singing, it hit me so hard. You got me feeling like I've been dreaming. So don't wake me up. Oh baby, you're amazing.